Hello and welcome to Playing the Kinder-lyre, a course by Living Music in the Home. I am Michelle Marinelli Prindle and I'm your instructor for this course in which we will learn how to play this beautiful instrument for the Waldorf early childhood and early grades classroom. And we'll go over lots of possibilities for when you would use it and how to incorporate it into your home or your classroom setting. And also we'll go over how to choose a high quality, affordable instrument, also how to tune the lyre, how to play with proper technique so that you're able to create melodies and play melodies that really are fluid. And the tone of the instrument is so beautiful. I think you're really going to love this. So first you can see that the body of the instrument is made of solid wood. This is made of maples. So you have to really listen, and it hones a child's skills at listening and being quiet and being inwardly still so that they can hear a tone. But then it's much easier for the child to match their voice with that pitch. So the lack of overtones is really the reason that this instrument is a perfect first instrument for early childhood. So to begin with, we want to just have a brief discussion about what mood of the fifth music is. So the lyre is designed in such a way that it makes the mood of the fifth a very visible experience. So if we play A and we pluck or strum the strings towards the direction of our heart, we play A. Now it's time to play the strings one after the other so that you're prepared for playing songs. You can think of this in much the same way as a pianist would practice their scales on the piano. So take out your lyre. Remember, the more that you play this instrument, the more comfortable you are going to feel with it. And even if you can only put your fingers on the instrument 5 to 10 minutes a day, that's fine. You don't have to practice 30 minutes a day. You're not trying to become a concert lyrist, right? But the more that you play this instrument, the more comfortable you'll feel with it, the more you'll want to use it. So put your hands on the instrument, really play it, tune it, listen to it, sing with it. Let your children see you playing the instrument and have a lot of fun.